Christmas, David! Merry Christmas, Eleanor! Merry Christmas, Jean Marie! It's Christmas! We made it all the way through December, and now it's Christmas Day. And now Auntie Colleen is going to read you all the books that she got you for Christmas. So let's read this book. This one says Construction Site on Christmas Night. And it's kind of like the Good Night construction site book. This is just the Christmas version. Construction Site on Christmas Night by Sherry Dusky Rinker and A.G. Ford. Look, there's a Christmas tree. I think I have to move this a little bit. This is a little bit of a big book. Construction Site on Christmas Night. Down in the big construction site, there's work to do on Christmas night. The last big project of the year. The team is slamming into gear. So much is riding on the crew. They have a major job to do. A special house is being built. The trucks are racing at full tilt. This important work can't wait. They'll get it done and make it great. Look at how hard they're working. Bulldozer's deadline's almost here. He has a lot of ground to clear. Working at full speed all day. Roar! He pushes hard to clear the way. For hours he powers this way and that and clears the site in no time flat. He turns away to end his shift, but in his way, a massive gift. Look, there's a present. With cable ribbon from the yard, it's topped off with a thank you card. An awesome carbon steel blade, custom paint job, custom made. Merry Christmas, Bulldozer. Good night. Excavator has no time to spare. He's rolling, digging everywhere, scooping, chugging at full blast. Roar. He digs up the foundation fast. Clouds roll in, a brisk wind blows. The clock in town begins to chime. His job's done right and right on time. As Excavator rolls away, slowing down to end his day, he stops and can't believe his eyes. Someone's left a big surprise. Someone left him a present. The card says, "Thanks for all you do," and it's signed simply, "From our crew." Look, a shiny yellow scoop. His old one has a broken tooth. Merry Christmas, Excavator. Good night. Oh, the page is sticking. Cement mixer has concrete to pour. He lays the foundation, walls, and floor. He twirls, he rolls, he spins, he pours. In record time, he's done his chores. He rolls away to take a bath, but something is in his path. It's a present. A giant box. His name's on top. He rumbles to a grinding stop. Screech! No card, no note. Who is it from? Who could have left a brand new drum? It's a drum for his cement mixer. His drum is old, beat up and plain, but this one's like a candy cane. Merry Christmas, cement mixer. Good night. An icy wind blows in his face, but dump truck revs to keep the pace. His back is sore, his tires are shot, but dump truck gives it all he's got. And soon there's nothing left to haul. He slows his engine to a crawl. He turns to go, but stops in awe. The biggest box he ever saw. He blows his stack, his engine fires. Vroom, vroom. It's a fresh new set of tires. He got new tires. Midnight black with thick, tough tread. He tucks the old ones in his bed. Merry Christmas, dump truck. Good night. With whipping winds and loads that sway, whoosh! Crane truck's job is tough today, but he keeps working right along, barely lifting, firm and strong. It's getting darker with each pass, but Crane truck's work is done at last. The job's all finished, one last stop. Crane truck puts a star on top. But Crane has one last thing to lift. Someone left a special gift. A rock'em sock'em wrecking ball. It's red and green and 10 feet tall. Merry Christmas, Crane truck. Good night. Engines rev and bells ring out. Cling, cling. Sirens blare and air horns shout. Woo! Honk! Down the road and up the drive, a fleet of bright red trucks arrive. Driving proudly, looking fine, pumpers, ladders, all in line. Cars and rescue trucks join too, bright and shiny rolling through. It's the town's new fire crew. On this nearly Christmas night, they find a new home built just right. And with a joyful roll and spin, the fire trucks move right on in. Turn off ignition, settle down, and look out at the sleepy town. All the construction vehicles built a new fire station. All grateful for this special day and helpful friends to work and play, for all that's given and received, and that's blessed this Christmas Eve. Shh. All the trucks are tucked in tight. Merry Christmas and good night. That's the end of that one. Merry Christmas. Auntie Colleen sends you big Christmas hug and a kiss and a wave. Hopefully I'll get to see you today on FaceTime. I love you so, so much. Mwah.